AI is going to take your job. Whether you like it or not, AI will replace many jobs. Not tomorrow, it has already started. Hello and welcome back to the Prowess Digital Solutions channel. Recently, there has been a lot of noise about artificial intelligence replacing workers. Everywhere you look, people are talking about AI tools, automations, and companies reducing the number of people they hire. Some companies are even replacing entire departments with AI systems. Recently, the CEO of Block made an announcement on Twitter that they are laying off over 4,000 employees, not because the company is downsizing or facing financial problems, but because many of the roles can now be handled by AI at a much cheaper cost. So naturally, people are starting to panic. People are asking questions like, will AI replace my job? Will there be opportunities in the future? Should I start learning something else? But the truth is this: AI will replace many types of jobs, especially jobs that involve repetitive tasks, digital processes, or predictable patterns. But there is one category of work that AI cannot replace: jobs that requires human presence, physical skill, and direct interaction with people. I need you to think about this. AI cannot braid somebody hair, right? AI cannot sew clothes for a customer in front of you. AI cannot repair a car engine. AI cannot install electrical wiring in a building. AI cannot build furniture for a client. AI cannot cook food in a restaurant. AI cannot install tiles in a new house. AI cannot fix plumbing problems. These are skill based professions, and many of these professions are already thriving across Africa as a whole. In fact, many people working in these industries are earning more than people working in traditional office jobs. So the real opportunity is not just learning a skill. The real opportunity is turning that skill into a structured business. Many people know how to sew, many people know how to fix cars, many people know how to build things, but very few people understand how to position their services, attract consistent customers, and grow their business beyond their local environment. Even though there are AI machines and technologies that can assist in some of this field, they still cannot replace the human being doing the actual work. A machine can help you design, it may help with measurements, it may help even with planning. But when it comes to the real work of sewing, the hands-on work, it still requires a skilled person to execute it perfectly. A sewing machine does not replace a fashion designer. Power tool does not replace a carpenter, right? Software does not replace mechanics. The tool may improve the work, no problem, but the skill still belongs to the real person that has it. This is why skilled based profession will continue to remain relevant no matter how advanced technology becomes. That's why if you even travel outside Africa to other countries, you realize that people that are making much more money are people with skill based profession. This is where exactly Prowess Digital Solution comes in. We help individuals turn their skills into real businesses. We provide you with clarity, structure, and packages that can help you run your business effectively, from branding to customer acquisition systems. Because when the business structure is right, growth becomes easier. AI will definitely change the future of work, but skill based businesses are not going anywhere. If anything, they will become even more valuable. So, if you want to learn how to turn your skill into a profitable business, or you want guidance on building a structured service based business, you can reach out to Prowess Digital Solutions and we will help you build it in the right way. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you can get notification of new videos like this when they drop. Ta-da!